Hi, this is Palmer from ForexSwingTrading.com, where our job is educating traders. Today we're going to talk a little bit about market astrophysics. Okay, so what is market astrophysics? This is looking at how the moon and other planetary bodies can affect financial markets. In addition to the moon, this can include the movement of planets and the sun. I can hear a lot of you probably snickering and laughing. Don't be, I understand be skeptical, but this isn't astrology. This isn't some sort of foo-foo, new age stuff. There have actually been some very serious studies done on market astrophysics. One was done in 2003 by the Atlanta Federal Reserve Bank. They published a study called Playing the Field, Geomagnetic Storms and the Stock Market. The study concluded that during high periods of electromagnetic storms that come from the sun, stocks seem to underperform, while during low magnetic periods, small cap stocks outperformed the market. Another study was done more recently by the Royal Bank of Scotland. I think this came out in 2012 or 2013. In this study, they found that if you had just bought the S&P index on a new moon and you sold it on a full moon between 1928 and 2010, and you just started with 1,000 pounds, that would be worth 1,502,689 pounds, compared to a strategy of just buying and holding the index, which would have returned 63,846 pounds. Okay, so this is really a very big difference. One of the things I look at is lunar cycles. Okay, so this is just a very simple chart of the euro Australian dollar on a daily chart. The red lines are a new moon, and the yellow lines are a full moon. Okay, as you can see, generally the new moon and the full moon called turning points or intermediate turning points, where the market retraces, or it causes or it calls tops and bottoms of trends. Okay, usually it's correct within a day or two. As you can see, it's not perfect. Sometimes it hit it right on the day, but sometimes it was a day or two off. But again, this is something that's mathematical. It's something months, even years in advance, and it's something that you can use as a planning tool. You wouldn't use lunar cycles as a trading system in itself, but it is something that gives you an edge. Okay. So again, this new moon, full moon system, it calls turning points on daily charts, usually within a day or two. I find that it has about a 60 to 70% accuracy rate. You combine this with other tools such as seasonal analysis, technical analysis, it becomes a lot more accurate. There is now the lunar cycles you can really only use on a daily chart, but there are other tools, like there's a tool called the ephemeris, which measures movements of planetary bodies, and this can be used on intraday charts. As financial trading centers like London and New York and Chicago, as these centers align with different planetary bodies, this can affect and cause turning points throughout the day. I'll be talking more about this in future broadcasts. Okay, so again, market astrophysics, they're not perfect. They give you another edge to look at. It's something that you can use to plan your trades. But again, they should only be used with other predictive indicators as well as technical indicators, and this helps you to plan your trades rather than just reacting to price. Okay. Anyway, I hope this video on market astrophysics has been helpful, and we will be discussing this more. I'll be talking about the ephemeris in future videos. Thanks a lot for listening. If you want to learn more, please come visit us at ForexSwingTrading.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.